Hello, how are you? This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner, and I went on a Scaventure. I took the Amy, and I took the Hubber, and off we went. But I did not go the full loop. I went to some very specific stores, and you'll see at the end where I went. But I did go to my favorite thrift store, because they always have good stuff. And the first thing I found was this set of brand new rubber stamps with dies. So I grabbed that, right? Who wouldn't? It's Christmas, and, you know, we can always use those. The other thing I found was this set from here, from the Image Tree, and it is a set of block alphas. Now, it does have some red ink on it, but I'm sure I can get most of that off. So I'm going to clean those up and get those ready to go. And then I found these, and they're recipe cards, and I have a set of recipe cards, like just like a mixed variety pack of recipe cards that I put in the shop, or I'm putting into the shop. One or the other. They might be in the sale. I don't know. But I thought these were stinking cute, and they're from Susan Wingett. And, you know, she's a pretty popular designer for K & Company. So I was like, I'm going to grab these. And I need these envelopes for something else entirely anyway. These little slips, you know. So I grabbed those. Why not, right? So I got that. Let me put these over here off to the side. All right. So what else did I find? Well, I found this set of templates. It's like stencils for alphabets. There's 5 different sets in here. So I figured, you know what the heck, I'll grab that. Then I saw this, Everything Beautiful, and I just thought, that's cute, and I like it. It's in really good shape. It was $1. Yeah, it's $1. So I grabbed this, and I'm just going to put it in my office here, in my corner. And I found some more of these templates. And this one is all tags. And there's 1, 2, 3 sizes of scallops, 1, 2, 3 sizes of the docked corner. And then there's 1, 2, 3 sizes of the oval top, you know, the loop top tag. And these are pretty large. You know, this thing's almost as big as my hand. And so I grabbed that because if for nothing else, I like making tags. And these are nice sized. So I grabbed it. And then I saw these, and this is a huge set of alphas. That's a duplicate. Let me get it out of the way. So this first one is kind of like squiggly lines, almost cartoonish, almost Mickey Mouse type. And then you've got a nice set of just block letter, and then a nice set of small balloon, and a nice set of large balloon. So I grabbed those, and they're really, this is really great for somebody who doesn't have like a Cricut or a die cutting machine, because you can just take these and trace around them and get the shapes and stuff that you want. This one is an explosion box, and what you do is just trace around the outside with your cutting blade, and then you come in with your scoring tool and put your score lines in, and then when you fold this all up, it folds into a box. And then there's this one. And this one is all book plates and like, you know, those like label plates and stuff. And there's quite a few of them here, and it's in really good shape. So I grabbed that. And then I saw this one. And I really got excited when I saw this, because this cuts different sized file folders with either square tabs or oval shaped tags, you know, like semicircle tabs. And it cuts them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sizes. And I like that. All right, so the next thing I found were these Canson photo and scrap books. And Canson is the people that I buy my paper from. It's archival quality, museum quality paper. And these are like scrapbooks. And I thought, you know, these would be really cool for like art books, you know. Somebody who wants to like put their stuff away. And this one's 9 1/4 by 10, so it's a little bit small. And then this one is 11 1/4 by 12, and these things are 40 pages, and they're just gorgeous, and the paper's yummy. And the reason I like them is because you can actually open this if you want to. Just get a pair of pliers and open this. You could put more pages into these if you want to, and I thought that was kind of cool. So I went to Joann's because I needed to get some new fabrics to do some book cloths, and I found this, and it's gorgeous. I mean, look at this, right? it's got like gold flaking in it, and it's gorgeous. So I grabbed that, and I saw this. Now, Joann's is starting to get some more fabrics in, mostly holiday fabrics at this point, but they are starting to get in some regular fabric. And they have this. And I thought, how beautiful is this? It's just so light and pretty, and it's just butterflies and dragonflies and stuff, and I thought this was gorgeous. So I grabbed this. It's a nice cotton. And then I saw this, and I had to stop. I had to stop. I went, what? And so I grabbed this. And then this put me in a mood, and I said, you know what? I know what my ladies want. So I went across town. So the first thing I got was this. I know, right? How stinking cute is this? So this piece right here is from QT Fabrics, and it is from Desired Designs. And I just thought, you know, look at him. He's so stinking cute. So I had to grab this, okay? And right next to this was this. So this, we all know what this is, right? Yeah. Yes, we do. This is a piece of Tim Holtz fabric, and this is the Pharmacy fabric. And I had to get it. So I grabbed this, and then I got this. And again, this is Tim Holtz fabric. We all know this. This one is the Mercantile. So I grabbed it. Let me get this over here. But I wasn't done. No, not by a long shot, ladies. So I grabbed this one, which is, again, this is Timmy Fabric, and this is Chrysanthemum. So I grabbed that. Get that off of there. And then I got this one. And this one is Tickets. Quite lovely. Look, it's got bus tickets like I have. So I grabbed that. And let me get this one out of the way. And then I saw this one, which was hidden in the Halloween fabric. It was hidden. This again is Timmy. And this piece is actually called Crows. And this is from the Eclectic Elements collection, Materialize. So I had to get some of that as well. So I grabbed that as well because I knew that my ladies would like this stuff. So I grabbed it. So I am going to be making book cloths out of it. Now, let's talk about future sales. All right. So I am going to continue every month to have my flea market. Again, there's no charge of any kind to do this. I do ask that you do a pre-sale with me so that I know what you're selling. Send me a list of what you're selling. I'm not going to give you a time limit. That doesn't mean that you can put in things that are going to last 3 hours, because my sales only last 2.5 to 3 hours, and there's a reason for that. So we'll walk through. I do have a great video for anybody who's a prospective seller that you can watch to kind of get an idea of what what I'm looking for sellers. But I want to keep it kind of a flea market format. You know, things that maybe are handcrafted, things that you bought one too many of, that kind of thing. So I'm still going to be doing that every month on the third Saturday of every month. And my own personal sales, I'm going to keep doing those, but I am going to change my format up a little bit. I will continue to do one price sale so that everything has a set price in it without auction. Occasionally, I reserve the right to auction an item if I don't know what to sell it for, okay? But by and large, it's 2.5 to 3 hours, and it's all set price. The first me takes it. And the reason that I do that is because having sales, to me, having sales that are like 8 and 10 hours long, 3 to 4 days in a week, our community is too small for that. And we are literally destroying our own buyer and seller base. People, you know, they just can't take that much static. So rather than continue to pollute the sales, what I'm going to be doing is I am going to start making my sales smaller. And instead of just constantly trying to find new things, I'm going to be limiting my sales to a portion of my sale will be new stuff, and some of it will be stuff from my Etsy shop. Okay? I find that a lot of people don't go to the Etsy shop because they're waiting for things to come up in a sale. So rather than have things sit in an Etsy shop, I would rather bring them out at a sale and sell them to you at that price. That's not to say that I won't have the items in my Etsy shop, because I will. And I will continue to refund overcharged shipping. So if Etsy says that your shipping is $4.18 and I go in and find out that it's only $3, I'm going to refund the extra shipping to you up to the whole dollar. I'm not going to, you know, if they say it's $4 and, you know, if it's $4, they say $4.18 and I find out it's $4, I'm not going to refund 18 cents. But I will refund up to the full dollar, okay? So if they say $3.67 and I find out it's $2.50, well, you'll get $1 and change back, you know? So it's just kind of, I don't feel like I'm entitled to it. If I'm not entitled to that money, I'm not keeping it. So I will continue to have my Etsy shop, and I will continue to sell great quality, unique merchandise in my Etsy shop, but I will be bringing some merchandise from my shop into my sales in order to put that in front of you guys, because I have a tendency to order things in. Here is a great example of that. I have these tiny little spiders that I ordered in, and I never put this in sale. I simply put it right into my shop, and therefore, you know, I never really gave some people a chance to look at it. So I want to make sure that everybody gets a chance to look at it, so I'll be bringing it into a live sale as well. So that's it, guys. That's all I have for you. Listen, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that red button for me and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Until the next time, guys. Bye-bye.